Hey, what's up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how you can connect your Tradingview strategies to your Binance Futures account. For example, here I made a strategy for Dogecoin. Obviously, you can connect these strategies to all different kinds of platforms and exchanges, but in this video, I'm going to explain you how it works with Binance Futures with Tradingview. So here you see I made this very profitable strategy for Dogecoin. So now how can I automate this? How can I make that these trades get executed automatically on my Binance Futures account? You can do this very easily for free without the software by just using a webhook. But the problem with this solution is that you can only use a certain fixed position size. But if you want to use a strategy that has a percentage risk with dynamic position sizing, you need to use a software. It's not for free, but it's cheap. I'm going to show you how it works. Let's say you have the strategy. Now you need to go to Trade Adapter. Link is down in the description and on my website. By the way, there's a free trial and the account, like the subscription, is super cheap. It costs like $5 or $6 per month. Super cheap. And you can connect it to all kinds of exchanges. I'm just going to show you the Binance setup. You go here, instructions. Now you can see all the different possibilities that you have. Let's say you want to do it with Binance Futures. First, you need to create your API key. And here are the instructions to create the API key. And I cannot really show it because, first of all, I've already done it. And second, it would require me to show you my two-factor authentication codes and all this stuff. I don't want to do this. So I'm just going to explain to you here. When you're in Binance, you just go to API management, then create API, and then select system generated. Then it's going to ask you for your two-factor authentication. Now, first you put a name, but then you need to verify with your two-factor authentication, all this stuff. It's quite a lot of stuff. And then you get your API key. Now, very important is you need to add this IP address here in the whitelist. That's very important. Also, you need to enable spot and margin trading, enable futures, and enable reading. I tried it with only futures. It didn't work. You need to also enable spot and margin trading. And never enable withdrawals. Very important. Once this is done, you get your private key and your API key. Then here are the setup steps. I'm going to show this to you in a bit, because what I did is I already made the strategy in a way that it sends these alerts the way you need them. Now you go to message generator. When you create your API key, this is what you basically generate, and the Binance secret. These are two 16 or 32 character long strings. You just put them here. Real order, yes or no. And then here I used futures, but you can also do it with spot. I do it with futures. And here you can select the execution type. I do market. I selected no, but it doesn't really matter for this strategy because it's not going to liquidate your position. It's the 50-minute time frame and the stop losses are pretty tight. So you can use both, but I use cross margin, so no. Once you have put in these secret keys, then you go to create alert message. Let's say I'm going to just put in something random. Boom. Now it generates this message. Make sure to copy the full message. Very important. Once you have copied this message, you go to TradingView. And now here you see the strategy. It's already added. You see this is not fake. It has a very high win rate. And obviously you can adjust a lot of things here. This is just optimized for Dogecoin. You can optimize it for all different kinds of time frames or assets. It has a lot of filters that you can use. But I'm just using it like this for Dogecoin. In case you don't have a strategy or you just bought one, you're going to find it here, indicators, invite only. Here you see, if you bought a strategy from me, you will see it here. Or you can also look for strategies, but I have never found a profitable strategy that is for free. That's why they're not for free. the good strategies. Anyways, then it's kind of simple. Once you have added the strategy to the chart, all you do is right click, or you go here to this icon, create alert. Now we just paste this message we got, name it test, and when it's correct, it will show you this. Now, this is incorrect. We need to go back to this website and we need to find the webhook URL. The webhook URL is in the profile page. Here is my webhook URL. I'm just going to copy this. I go back to TradingView and I just paste it here. Boom. Now create, and that's it. I know it was a lot of steps, but actually it's extremely simple, and I've tried it. It works. It executes the correct size that it is executed here. It executes it also on Binance. And if there's any problems, you will see it here. You will see if there's an error. For example, here I had invalid API key because I didn't have spot and margin enabled. So you will see if there's an issue. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to write a comment to this video or contact me in the live chat on my website. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace out.